Meaning of helium.
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 Helium. Helium is a chemical element that exists as a colorless, odorless, tasteless, and non-toxic gas at standard temperature and pressure. It has the atomic number 2 and the symbol He, and is one of the noble gases. Helium is the second lightest element and is the second most abundant element in the observable universe, being present at about 24% of the total elemental mass, which is more than 12 times the mass of all the heavier elements combined. It was first discovered in 1868 by French astronomer Jules Janssen, who observed its spectral lines during a solar eclipse.